Hi Rakhi.
Hi
Yeah,
Kiran, how are you?
yeah, yeah. I'm great. How are you?
Fantastic.
Okay. So, just there were some technical glitches, so we are on Zoom now. Okay. So I will just introduce myself. Okay, I'm Kiran. I'm a teacher. I'm a mentor, a
Hello.
coach. Yeah, Haikar, are you? Haikar? Yeah. Hi. Mother of a 2-year-old son, Ayash, a happy-go-lucky wife, and your this. Yeah, just 1 second. Yeah, I want you to just introduce yourself to our audiences, and I will just ask you a few questions which might help our audiences to get a better clarity. Okay, so just over to you.
So thank you so much, Kiran, for giving me this opportunity. I'm really thrilled to be here. And hey, everybody. Hope you guys had a great day. So I'm Rakhi. I'm an author as well as a coach, and I wrote my book Challenge the Challenges, which is about a girl who has been through several challenges since her childhood, and how she took it as a challenge, how she overcame each and every challenge, and how she's living her life like a pro. So this is all about the story, and more information you will get to know when you will download and when you will buy my book. So just be in hurry and go to Amazon and buy my book. So yeah.
Yeah. So Rakhi, just tell me how the journey started. How was your childhood and everything?
Okay. So my childhood is very funny. Miss, I was a person who always loved to explore new things. I'm a person who loves opportunity. So wherever I feel that there is a growth, so I used to jump there. Wherever I see that okay, this is something which attracts me because energy attracts energy. This is how I believe. So wherever I see that something very good energetic things are there, then I'll be there. So you can find me at different places where there is all about growth, learning, opportunity, something new, vulnerability. So wherever there is something new, I'll be here.
Wow, that's so great of you because many of the people find it really scary, or we can say they fear to do new things, right? So
Absolutely. And I
it's,
love
yeah,
adventures. I love adventures. I love this.
yeah. So great to you that you love that thing because I have seen many people fear that. Okay, so how can you help our audience, like, because you are a very adventurous person, I know. So what is that one thing which help you to think beyond scariness or fearness? So what is that one thing?
Okay. To be frank, the best quality I have is I never scared of anything. I love risk. I don't bother about what will be their consequences. If something I resonated with it, like if it's giving me happiness, I do this. So my point for the audience is whatever your inner voice, your heart says, man, just do it, just do it, just do it. Trust me, just do it. Forget about the consequences. It will definitely give you the right result. Just do it. Have patience, have confidence in you that whatever your heart say, hear it. It is the some this speaks you right means it says you to do it, and it will only show you the potential you have, the X factor which say that okay, this is how Raki is different from Kiran, this is my X factor. So listen to it and it will work out like a magic.
Right. But Raket, there will be many, I guess there would have been very much like criticism or something like that, which, and being a girl, it's like a thing that which our family wants us to be in a comfort zone. And when we go out of that comfort zone and do some things, so there are always some critics to say something about that. So what is your
Absolutely.
opinion about it?
Absolutely. Critics, people, family, relatives, society, everything is a part of life. You cannot skip through it. Okay. And if you try to escape from it, you won't be happy at all. So just try to give them importance as much they require. Okay. Don't try to let them interfere in your dream, in your vision, in your mission that whatever you are doing, you only better know that what is good for you. Okay. Nobody can know, neither your parents who has given you birth. Nobody knows about you. So just listen to yourself and try to explain that if they are getting to know about, if they are hearing about you, then let them believe. If they are not able to, just keep them aside, respect them, but never uh, sacrifice or compromise with your dream, because this is a one life we have, and you only have the potential to make it true. And when you will make it, everybody wants see a successful person. Okay, nobody sees a journey that person has gone through. So trust your journey rather than saying that I'm successful, because when your journey will be clear, you will be able to help other people so that person can go through. But if you randomly say that I'm a successful, I'm a writer, you're not able to help even a single person, it's not going to lead you anywhere. So just
Right.
learn your success and tell everybody how you have went through so many challenges and how you are here where you wanted to be.
Right, right, definitely. So, Rakhi, one more question I want to ask you. Like, this journey was not an easy, right? There would be like very, like you said, there are always some problems, yes. But then going through that journey and then achieving that result, then what is the feeling? I want to know. My audience wants to know.
Yeah, trust me, I never wanted to become an author. Trust me, I had no idea that one day I'll be an author. I used to read books. I used to read mostly financial books. How people can write so many words. Means I cannot write even a single word. How do I become an author? So nothing happened. Then something when I become a coach, so there we were given a task that you have to write a book. So I thought, okay, but it's not. It should not be mandatory that every person has to write a book. And then all of a sudden, one day I woke up and my heart said that Rakhi, you have to write a book. Then so many confusion was running into my mind. Who will read my book? There are so many good authors are there. There are so many competition is there. What will I write? What will be the topic? What will be the title? What will the so many questions were stopping me. Just my idea was to write a book, and so many negativity was around me. How? Why? When? How? So many questions. Then I stopped myself. I put a break. Then what I did, I started free writing. Okay, whatever was coming in my mind, I just wrote it on what topic I have to write. So firstly I just cleared my script at what I have to communicate. Then I worked on that how I can differentiate into different parts. Either it could be in a phase, either it could be the parts, either it could be help of chapters. So it's up to you, what do you want to convey. So before coming to topic, before coming to title, subtitle, any other things, just write down what your heart says on action, on word, on paper, on Google Docs, wherever you are comfortable with, just write it down, and then you try to know that what else we have to do it. Forget about cover book, forget about title, forget about subtitle. Nothing matters, trust me. Just focus on what you want to convey. If you are a first means if you are an ambiguous, means you have no idea that what sort of author you want to be, just write it down.
Right, right. So exactly after writing the book and getting the feedbacks, you might be on cloud nine, right? And then you are now known by an author. So it's a fantastic feeling, I
In fact,
guess.
I decided my date that on 8th Feb, on which is my birthday, on that day my book will be published. And trust me, till by 7th Feb, I had no idea that my book will publish. Trust me, had no idea. Somehow it got published, but I had no. And on my email ID, it was said that after 24 hours or 48 hours, your book will be published. So I was means relaxed. Published. When one of my friends told me at 12 a.m. that Raki, your book got published, and I'm the first person who has bought your book. Means it just got published, and I it's just been sold. So the happiness, the amount of anxiety I had, I cannot express in words. With more than someone saying that happy birthday, I was thrilled that my book's been published and it is being sold. That was the biggest achievement I had, and I was literally cried that day. At least for 2 hours, I cried because of happiness.
Right, right. So, yeah, I can feel that feeling that you are saying it's your birthday, and you said you were not having anything like whether it will get published or not. So there also it comes like I believe in law of attraction. So it is there when you feel that it is going to happen, it will be going to happen. So was it somewhere in your mind that yes, I want this and it will be happening? Whether there were some beliefs like don't know how it will be and what it will be.
Absolutely. I never believed in karma. I never believed in manifestation. But someone told me that if you want to have something, the first thing you need to do, put a deadline. Just put
Right.
a deadline and things will work. When you know why you want it, because you have already published, right? You have told the public that on 8th Feb my book is being published. And even if you are not written anything, your mentally what will happen, that your mind will have a belief that on 8th I have to publish a book, I have to publish a book. And by 7th some another miracle will happen all of a sudden, then you have to publish a book, and within 2 hours you will be able to write everything. So just have a deadline, tell everybody, shout it out to the public, this is something I'm going to do. And how it is going to happen, that you literally you will not know. Everything is going to happen on time. Just have faith, write it down, publicize it.
Okay. So what is that one statement or one thing that have changed your life?
In terms of being an author, so after writing my book, after publishing my book on Kindle, I got to know that even if you are writing 30 or 40 page on Word, your 30-40 page will be in Kindle version 140 or 150 pages. Means earlier, which we feel that I cannot write it a single page of my book, I wrote this much page of my book. So even I was surprised. So just write it down and you will be surprised on the way.
What is one thing that you want to suggest to our audience, those who want to become authors or want to do something extra in their life?
Okay. So trust me, whoever wants to be an author, if you just keep on thinking, I'll be an author, I'll be an author, I'll be an author, I will write a book, I will write it. Trust me, you're not going to write any book. Trust me. Just today decide that I'm going to write a book, put a deadline, that on this particular day, I'm going to publish my book. Clear it out, shout it out on every social media, Facebook, YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, wherever you have good community, just shout it out. That's it. And then see the magic, everything is going to happen.
Yeah, I
Just
also
decide
want to
what
be
you
an
want to
author,
convey,
so
what you want to convey,
yeah.
and then everything will work for you.
Right. So I also will follow your advice and I will surely gonna do this because I was also one of the person who wanted to be an author and but I was not knowing how, what, I don't know till now also.
Every person goes
Yeah.
through, every person goes. Even I was at this place that how am I going to write, how will I do editing, I don't know anything, what will be the content, what will be the sizing limit, what will be the structure, I don't know, my vocabulary is not strong, my English is not good, so many negativity will be around you. But if you have decided that you are going to write a book, you will be, just decide and have faith and put a deadline, everything will fall in place.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rakhi. Anything else you want to convey or anything you want to address to our audience? Anything that might be.
Yeah. So my one suggestion, which I have always I have made my foundation with, is listen your inner voice. Forget about who else are responding to you positively, negatively. The whole world will speak negative. The only person who can speak positive is your own heart. So listen to it and just do it, and you will see the how your graph is changing from zero to hero. If you want to see yourself from zero to hero, then listen your inner voice and work on it and explore n number of things, whether it be free of cost, whether it be paid version, whether it be someone's version. Experience it, have risk, and see the magic. Your life will be different. Trust me.
Thank you so much, Rakhi. It was very pleasure. It was our pleasure to have you on this platform. Would like to have you more with us with some words of wisdom again. So for today, thank you so much. You took time from your
Thank
busy
you.
schedule and you was with us on a short notice. So thank you so much. It was indeed a valuable time spent with you. Many of us might be future authors. So thank you so much.
And
Thank
I'm
you so
publishing
much.
here that on 12th August 2021, I'm going to publish my another book. And till now, trust me, I haven't written even a single word. Haven't written even a single word, but I'm going to publish on 12th August. And you just see the magic how I'm going to publish my book.
Wow, congratulations for that too, and best wishes. So yeah, we will be there in the victory. Okay,
Absolutely.
and we would love to be with you more and more. Yeah. So
Okay.
thank you
Okay,
so
Kiran, nice
much,
to have you
Raki.
here. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, audience. And bye bye. Take care.